The best stroganoff. So no, you haven't made it yet. Super delicious. Take 800 grams of meat, cut it into strips and then into dice, like this. Tell me how you make stroganoff at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Put the meat in a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of mayo and stir to combine. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir until melted, add half onion and saute. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Margie Hinkle from Ohio. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Next, add 2 garlic cloves and stir. Make this recipe at home. It is incredibly delicious. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now add the meat. Stir to combine. Cover the pan and let cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1½ teaspoons of paprika, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and give a good stir to blend all the flavors together. When you make stroganoff like this, you will want to make it again and again, and your whole family will ask for the recipe because it really is wonderfully delicious. Follow me to the end. I guarantee you won't regret it. Now add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and stir it all together. Also, add 200 grams of heavy cream and stir to combine. And to finish, add parsley to taste and stir it all together. And our beef stroganoff is ready. Look how delicious it is. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.